Okay, guys, this is competition between JJ and Spanner Malawi, and first to finish goes home with 20k.
Jesus.
20k. And your time, JJ, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Spanner, are you ready?
Yes.
First to finish goes on with 20k.
No.
And your time starts now.
Hey! Concrete ball! Concrete ball! You know, be fine now. This man! Hey!
Yes, you can do it, guys. And JJ is the winner of the game. Congratulations, JJ. Congratulations. What do you have to say?
I told him before that I will defeat him.
That he will learn in that way.
This is the second time now.
Clap on for Jesus.
Clap
on for Jesus.
Jesus. Oh, I'm not too much.